Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Shine. It's your maths lecture and the topic is fun with the number 9. Open your books and page number 55 and 56. Topic of this page is fun with the number 9. Can you trace the number 9? Trace it. You have to start from 1 from this dot and make a half circle and then straight line on it बैक साइड आपने इसकी बैक साइड पर एक लाइन ड्रा कर देनी है तो ये नंबर 9 बन जाएगा. नाउ काउंट द बर्ड्स. 1 how many birds are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Oh, 9 birds are here. How many birds are here? 9 birds. Now you will color them to use fingerprints. आप लोगों ने fingerprints use करते हुए इनमें colors करना है इन birds में. Now count these balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many balls are here? 9 balls. Yes, 9 balls are here. आप लोगों ने इन balls में भी कलर करना है. Now help the bird find the number 9. अब आप लोगों ने इस bird की help करनी है to find the number 9. Number 9 find करने के लिए. Yes. Where is number 9? Is it number 9? No, this one is 6. 6. Number 6. This number is number 6. And where is number 9? Circle the number 9. Number 9 को ज़रा circle करें. Yes, very good. It's a number 9. 9. 9. Here is one more 9. Very good. Complete this page. It's your book page number 56. Topic of this one is I know the number 9. Yes, you know about the number 9. आप लोग number 9 के बारे में जानते हैं. That how you have to write the number 9. Firstly, show me your 9 fingers. And count your fingers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 fingers are here. Color and count the sticks. आप लोगों ने इन sticks को काउंट करना है और कलर करना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 sticks are here. I am ready to trace. Are you ready for trace? Number 9. We have to trace the number 9. 9. It's a 9. Yes. You will write it like this. Very good. After doing this work, your page will be completed. आपका ये वाला पेज complete हो जाएगा. Very good. Now open the worksheets page 27 of World of Numbers. Topic of this page is I can count and trace the number 9. Yes, you can trace and also you can count the number 9. Firstly, you have to draw the lines to complete the bird puppets and count them. Trace these lines 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now trace the number 9. You have to trace it like this. It's a number 9. Very good students. Now complete your book page 27. Okay, Allah Hafiz.